Hi guys, Deirdre here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm going to take you through the 2025 Corterra 28.1 BH. This is a bunk model here for the kids. Starting off on the front, we do have our power tongue jack, of course, as well as our two 20-pound propane tanks, and that is where your battery will be housed as well. Come check out this. We have aluminum framing. It's unobstructed. Your solar charge controller is off on the side, and your solar disconnect is off on the other side. There's 190 watts of solar located already up on the roof. We also have power jacks down here. Our baggage doors are magnetic and they just pop on up there, so nothing's going to come crashing down on you. Our walls, our construction here is Asdel composite panels. They are much lighter than Luan plywood. They are impervious to water, moisture, mildew, mold, all those fun little M words we won't even have to worry about when it comes to the siding here. Let's come on down this way a bit. So we have one of our entrances that go directly into the master bedroom. So if you've got your kids sleeping out there, it's easy enough to sneak out or stay out a little later around the fire, what have you. As you can see, we have a nice large awning, almost spans the entire length. So there's going to be lots of nice shade and coverage if the weather is not cooperating correctly. We have a fully insulated and enclosed underbelly. There is heat that goes down there, helps keep everything moving the way it should. Campsite windows, outdoor speakers. We have all of our cable hookups here. We have our dual axles. There is 3 years structural warranty on the Corterra. Just throwing little tidbits of information at you as I'm going through. Coming to our main entrance of the unit, we have our solid steps. They just fold up into the unit, so they're not getting all that road grime on it. On the other side of our main entrance, of course, our outside kitchen. Nice large griddle, little bit of a mini fridge here. Put your juice boxes, water bottles, condiments, what have you. It's all there. There is a window up there for the top bunk. There isn't not one for the bottom bunk on this side, but there definitely is as you come around the back. All right, you guys, we are here on the back now. As I had stated on the other side, this is the window that the person on the bottom bunk will be able to open, look out, whatever. We are Lippert ladder prepped up there, as well as our backup camera prep. We have a nice mounted spare tire off of the back as well. And I don't know if you can see them, but these are the power jacks at the back. All right, over on driver's side, this is where you're going to find all of your water hookups and your power supply. There are 2 dump stations, one located right underneath of all of this and one just on the other side for your kitchen sink. All right, you guys, we are inside the 28.1 BH. As soon as you come in, you have your large double over double beds directly off to the left. This is already installed and it is quite sturdy. If I shake the crap out of it, nothing's going to happen. These beds are rated for 300 pounds each. So a couple kids up top, a couple kids on the bottom, you can sleep a whole bunch. Directly across on the other side is where we're going to find our pantry. It is also where you're going to find your control panel with all of your tank levels and all of your switches for this, that, and the other thing. That's where you're going to find it. In this unit, we have dimming lights, so you can definitely set the mood or just shut them completely off and go to bed. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Foot flush toilet, nice step-in shower. It does have the skylight above there in case you're on the taller side. Decent amount of counter space with your medicine cabinet and your vanity. All right, you guys, we're in the living room portion of the Corterra 28.1. We have a trifold sofa here, folds out, gives you another sleeping space if you got taller company or adults over with you. There are tons of natural light that comes in here. These windows all open. Into here we have our booth dinette. It breaks down into another sleeping area for you. There is storage located underneath of both of these. Making our way over here into our entertainment system area, we have a nice 40-inch smart TV. You get a little bit of a mantle here to put some knickknacks. You have your stereo system, Bluetooth stereo system here, and of course the electric fireplace. There is room to kick some shoes off underneath of there as well, if need be. Into our kitchen is our 10 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. Quite deep in there. Shelves are adjustable. Into here, we have our 3-burner cooktop. Of course, everybody's favorite glorified bread box. A huge bank of drawers off on the side. We do have some room for a garbage can underneath of the sink, as well as lots of room up top here for your plates and glasses. One thing to note here in the kitchen, other than this ridiculously large single bowl stainless steel sink with that fun little cutting board to cover up your dishes, is we have solid countertops. And there is also a plug-in located right up here if you had coffee machine, ice maker, whatever, right there for you. Let's go this way. True 60 by 80 queen size bed. If you don't like this one, anything that you can buy in the department store will fit in here. We have hanging storage on both sides, as well as some upper head storage up there too. Throw some sweaters, some snacks, whatever you need. There is a cutout on each side of the bed that has access to 110 plugins as well as your USB charging. Hi! Do you notice all this unobstructed pass-through underneath of the bed? Now that we're done all that fun, straight across from here is where you're going to have your TV backer location, where you're able to mount a TV as well as your 110 and your cable hookups. There's also a few more storage drawers down below here. And of course, I'm sure you guys have noticed, this is our second access point. This is the first one that we've seen that I said directly heads right into the master bedroom. Vanna Whited. I got trapped in there. Just kidding. All right, you guys, that has been our fun little walkthrough of the 2025 Corterra 28.1 BH. If you have any other questions in regard to this unit or any of the other stuff that we have on our lot, please visit us at minersleisureworld.com.